when you're doing Uddiyana Bandha, one of the biggest mistakes people make is that they try to draw the belly in and up. In fact, a lot of the texts, in the way they describe it, is to draw your belly inwards and upwards. But this is muscular action. When you learn it correctly, it's very passive. So imagine you're going to take a big inhale, like a full inhale, a really strong big one. And you're going to come up through the chest, up to the accessory breathing muscles, and it looks like this. It's all up, it's all lifted, right up here as high as I can, and down. Now, when you do Uddiyana Bandha, you fully exhale out through pursed lips. And then you hold the breath out, and then you apply the practice. When you empty, rather than pulling the muscles in and up, begin to do a false inhale, meaning do this same action, like that inhale I just showed you and the lifting up, but without actually taking a breath. What that does is it creates a negative pressure here that just sucks the belly in and up. It becomes a passive movement. So I'll show you the two movements sitting down, and then I'll show you it standing up, because when you start, it's easier to learn standing up. So this is me exhaling and then pulling the muscles in and up. I can't even do it the wrong way now. But basically what happens is these muscles stay firm and active. Now, when I do it, now I'll empty out and I'll do the false lift. And as I lift, I'll just keep this relaxed and you'll see the belly come in and up. So. False lift. Then you take your inhale. So when you're applying it, we're only really doing the Uddiyana Bandha, but you exhale out, Mula Bandha, lift, drop the chin a little bit. Then when you exhale, lower the belly, Mula Bandha, lift the chin, and inhale. They're kind of bang, bang, bang. It's very quick.